For this look, I will be using P. Louise base to prime my eyelids. You can use any bright concealer that doesn't dry up fast. Next, I am going to blend this out with a fluffy blending brush so that it is even and perfect for my eyeshadow. These are the main brushes I'll be using. You only need 3 actually. I just showed you so you know of the options. I'm going in with a dark red shade to create the shape of the crease that I want, and I made sure that when I open my eyes I can still see the eyeshadow, and this is the new crease I am creating. Now I'm using the yellow to blend out the red, and you can see how harsh that line was looking at first. The yellow and the red were standing separately, but as I went back forth, you can see how easily that red line is blending and it is turning orange. Now I am going to go in with black to intensify the outer eye corner, and I'm taking it up to my crease because I want it to look deep and I want it to look like I have bigger eyelids. And as I am doing that, I'm making sure not to surpass where the red is, so that we would have a gradient of black, red, and then yellow. It will give us a nice blend of eyeshadow. And afterwards, I'm going to take the brush with nothing on it and just try to blend out the outer eye corner so that it is seamless and flawless. Now I'm doing the same thing at the brow bone area, and I took the big fluffy blending brush to just show you that this is how you would use it if at all. Now I'm applying the eyeshadow base onto my eyelid because it might have dried off and I didn't want to take any chances. I'm mixing that pink and that beige color because I wanted an in-between color. I didn't want it to be too pink, I didn't want it to be almost white either. I just wanted a nice pinkish looking color. I intended for this color to be like pink and burgundy, but it ended up looking like purple and pink. Comment below what these colors look like to you. On the lower lash line, I am using that tiny detail brush to apply black eyeshadow. Then I'm going over it with the red just so that it won't look too black like a smoky eye. Here I am applying black gel liner to my waterline, and I am also going to do a very thin liner on my top lash line as well. If you have hooded eyes, you need to take note and not do too many thick eyeliners, except if you're doing a very high cut crease, or if you take your eyeshadow high enough, then you can gamble it. But to be safe, just a thin liner would suffice. Next, apply your mascara like normal and then go on in with your lashes. For someone like me that used to dread fixing lashes, I've really mastered it. Just look at me. I have very curly lashes, but I fixed this lash in less than 2 minutes. I think it was even less than a minute safe. Thank God for growth though. This is the final look. I think that it came out really beautifully. So I'd like you guys to comment down below what other color combinations you'd like me to try. Just drop 2 colors, no matter how strange. Thank you for watching and enjoy this blooper.